Good evening, Dennis. We are going to look at the introduction of computers, and in this session we look at what we call Windows. So our topic for today is looking at Windows. What is Windows? So in this case, when we talk about Windows, we are talking about what we call a computer program that helps actually the computer itself to run. So it's a system that has been developed and published by Microsoft. So this type of a program will help you in a number of ways. So one of those ways is that Windows helps you to keep files. It helps you to store the files. Number two, it helps you to run the software. So when you want to run the software, you need Windows. So Windows has been a program for running other software. So a computer requires a number of software for it to run properly. Then way number three, it helps people to play games. So when you want to play game on a PC, you will need Windows. Otherwise, with that Windows, you cannot play any game. The other point is that Windows helps us to watch videos. So when you want to watch videos, you will need Windows. So this Microsoft Windows, which is the operating system, is what makes actually the computer itself to run without problems. Then we also have another need of Windows, that is connecting the computer to the internet. So without Windows, your computer cannot be connected to the internet. So we have benefits of using Windows: storing files, connect the internet, playing games, and also playing videos. So you need to watch some videos, you also need other things. Then we have again what we call a window. So after looking at the operating system, we now look at what we call a window. What is a window? Basically, if you look at your own house, you will find that your house has windows. So what is the function of the window that you have in your home, in your house? You are going to find that that window provides you with a view that you can watch outside to see what is happening. So in the computer, we also have what we call a window. So this is a separate viewing area on a computer screen or display screen. So here you can open up window that will help you to view something instead of what you are actually working on. So in this case, when we talk about window, we can mean that I can open a new window here, and you see that I have this window that I'll be using to view other things in the computer. So this is what we call window. So I have displayed this window to help me view what is in the computer system. So for this one here, you will see that I have desktop, I have downloads, I have documents. So if I want to view something that is in the computer, maybe in the downloads, I'll go and open Windows that contains downloads. So a window is just a viewing area that you can have on your desktop or in the computer system itself. So that is what we call Windows. So you need a window also. So you are saying this window can be resized depending on the view that you want. If you want to have maybe two windows on the same screen, you can put up. So what do we mean by that? So in this case, if I decide to open a new window, click, then I have this window here. So you are saying that we can resize. I can make it smaller or I can make it bigger. So this is what it means when we say resizing window. So this is the viewing area that you have. So at this moment in time, I am viewing these programs that are on the computer. But if I want, I can open another program. Let's say I want to open WhatsApp, and I'll be able to use WhatsApp. So again, this is another window that I can use to view WhatsApp programs. So here we are able to install or to keep up any program that we need. So here I have now two windows. I have this one that I'm using to view something different, and here I am viewing WhatsApp. So if I want to be chatting, I can be chatting, and at the same time I can be using this other window to see other programs. So a window is just a viewing area that you have on the display screen. So I can have two windows side by side, and I'll be able to see different things. So these are the two windows that I've created. So I have windows for WhatsApp, and I also have this window for other programs that I'll be able to view. So if I want to compare, I can compare from this window to the other window. So you can resize your window depending on the viewing area that you need. So in this case, I have made them to be small so that I can put them together on the same screen. So a window is just a viewing area that is used on a computer display screen. So basically, you have seen those two examples giving us the insight on how you can resize the windows themselves. So you are saying a window can usually be resized by the user. For example, it can be stretched on any side, minimized, maximized, and closed. So if you want to minimize it, you can minimize. If you want to maximize, you can maximize, and if you want to close it, you can close it. So there are so many things that you can do. So on today's multitasking operating systems, you can have a number of windows on your screen at the same time, interacting with each other whenever you choose. So like I opened my programs in the computer and also opened WhatsApp, so I can be able to multitask. So I can have so many windows on the same screen, and this is what we call a window. So window is just a program that you use in the computer to help you understand. So we shall continue furthermore to look at other things that are needed for us to get on into the computer advance.